Haka khatway tere ujillio arja arpusau kala dan ka jingpen tip da ki bor pulet Kyrwoh district banna ka Jingshah dawa pisa ki kattu kat ningut ki pulet kilala ban pen praya ka sleeper cell jong ka sengking Atiar Hinyo Trap National Liberation Council HNLC ka batray kam haki benta ka mau hati roy bat Shillong. Yakani ka sleeper cell jong ka HNLC lalam khmat do sai frank Paul parian na ka snong umman la ong ka Kyrwoh ka bal kdoru bau sai frank ringkat ka kunhon jong u kila ai shibon tli ki sithi dawa pisa haka kerteng jong ka seng HNLC bat berngam ru yaki kattu kat ningot badai ban siu lam kumta kin ngat haka jing e halor kan ye haka spautre ujillio arja arpusau la penlongi ka jing Conrad ka special team of police headquarters but riboy DEF haka bala kem yo sai frank Paul pariat arpusan snam karta ukit bok majai arpulai snam karta na ummat baru Barnabas lingdo sau pukandai snam karta na Kynthoh su Henry nakal yang menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad kiesangma haka arpu pratre ujillio arja arpusau ulaong bakam sngoya ha ban ong bagade ka sleeper cell but banrap bakam dei hiru ka hi-fi sleeper cell jong ka HNLC Kumban supan kan mau bayakini kilai ngot la kem halor ka nau rem baki dan bentaru ban penrung Dkhot ban baiting ka bat banyalap na ka benta ka seng HNLC hapo ka UAP Act bat kila lej ban sya hikai sa Bangladesh house nam baladap.
See, sleeper cell sounds like a very strong word. It's just another very technically high word for somebody who's not active and just but then were picked up and were then asked to be active again. So it's not really that they are hi-fi sleeper cell, but there are some individuals who sometimes are in terms of say money, are given money and they're asked to do certain activities and then we term them as sleeper cell. So I would refrain from using those words, but there are individuals who are in one way or the other related, connected with different organizations. But as I said, we are improving our overall cyber cell, and we're ensuring that we invest in that a lot. Therefore, we're keeping close watch on everything, and that's the reason why we've been able to nab these certain individuals that are there. But yes, we will not be taking it easy. We are not going to take it lightly. Every single issue, threat is treated very seriously by us, and we will examine this and will ensure that we take every step to ensure that this does not pose a very serious problem. But as I said, that these are individuals at different levels who are used by different leaders and organizations of HNLC and other media of HNLC, who then carry out different activities through them. So we're keeping a watch on that, and we will not take it lightly. Yes, so as I said, there are the activities means basically sending a WhatsApp message. So I don't know how will you define the sending of WhatsApp messages as an activity. It's very easy in these days to send WhatsApp messages. You simply have to download a VPN, application like Atlas or something, and you can mask it. But then we are working towards finding out ways to nab that also, and how we can overcome that. And we are we're only working with different police organizations. I don't want to talk too much about it, but because of that only we are now succeeding in really getting more intel and picking up some people, and this will continue. We have taken in fact note of this today in the meeting, and we have asked the DG and others to improve and invest in this aspect so that we are able to stop this kind of extortion notes coming in randomly to the citizens of our state. The question is, cyber security is a very big topic. It's not very simple that we'll say that we have 5-6 people and we can get it done. It's an ongoing process. There is a lot of technology now there in the market, and hence we have to keep updating ourselves. So everything we do helps us a bit more, but then when we do a bit more doesn't mean that we can stop everything. So it is a process, and in the process we are making a lot of improvement, and we will see many things happen more, and we're sure that we'll be able to keep a control and a lid on all these kind of things. But yes, as I said, it's a process, and cyber security and concerns through individuals sending this kind of WhatsApp messages. Different technologies come up, so we'll have to keep improving ourselves and keep investing. Issues that we are speaking with Government of India also, and we've made it very clear as to what level we can go to, and this has been communicated to the HNLC and members multiple times, and this has been communicated through Government of India as well as through the state government. So there are certain procedures and systems that are followed in all the talks that the Government of India is involved in. Hence, we are following the same protocol and the same process is being followed. So therefore, we are not deviating from those processes. So based on that, we have mentioned that any kind of minor crimes that are there, or kind of minor issues that are there, we can resolve those. But any kind of heinous crime that is there, any heinous things that were committed in the past, those areas we have to look at. And so therefore it's not possible that I just say that it's a blanket amnesty we will give to, or we can give. It's case to case basis, it has to be looked into. But Government of India and both Meghalaya government have said that we are ready to discuss all these matters, but giving a statement that general amnesty will be given is going against the and deviating from the normal process that's followed by Government of India and by mainly Government of India and Government of Meghalaya when we go for talks like this.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.